Okay, good morning class. So today we're looking at trigonometric ratios. We're going to do the examples for exercise 7.9. And your heading for today is reduction formulae with angles that are greater than 360 degrees. Exercise 7.9 is on page 243. So we spoke about this yesterday already, not so in our previous lesson. We said that if the angle is over 360, what do? Subtract 360 until it's within the range of 0 to 360 on the domain. In the interval should be the range. Okay. So the domain refers to x values, while the range refers to y values. So I should have said between the interval 0 to 360. If the angle is negative, what do? We add 360 till it comes within that range again of 0, within that interval of 0 to 360. People, you guys understand? So now we say write each of the following as a trigonometric ratio of x. 8, number 1. We got tan of 540 minus x. Right. So as you can see, 540 is over 360 degrees. Not so. So what do? Subtract 360. Not so. So what is 540 minus 360? 180 minus x. Remember what we say yesterday? If you add or subtract 360, I don't change the value again. So that now looks very, very familiar to us now. Not so. So we can apply the reduction formula. There's all stations to Claremont. It's 180. 180 minus x is in which quadrant? Second quadrant. Is tan positive or negative in the second quadrant? Negative. So it's negative tan. Am I going to change that to sine over cos? Why? Because I put the marker down. No. Why do you think I'm not going to change that to sine over cos? Okay, each is saying it because it's negative. If I change, it's going to be negative sine over cos. But why am I not going to change it yet? You don't need to change it. So it's not going to cancel anything. So if your final answer is sine over cos, then you change it to tan. Because the tan is more simpler, in a simpler form than sine over cos. Understand? Let's look at number 2. Number 2, we got sine of 810 degrees minus x. So what do I do here? Minus 360. So what? 810 minus 360 is what? Which is over 360. Not so. So what do I do now? Minus 360 again, give me an angle of 90. So it's sine 90 minus x. So we got 90 minus. So which quadrant is that in? First quadrant. Sine positive or negative? Positive. But changes to cos x. Will you guys understand? Yeah, I can't help that this work is so easy. No? It'll come the class test and then it's like as if we didn't ever do trigonometry. I tell you why, you guys are not practicing. That's right. Right, number 3, we got tan 720. So what do I do now? 720 plus x minus 360, which give you 360 plus x. Now what? This 360 plus x, which quadrant is that in? 360 plus first quadrant minus fourth quadrant. So 360 plus x, so it's going to be 10, 360 plus x, which is 10x. Okay. The examiner that set this one up like 10. So I would have put a cos there. No? To be even. You must be fair with all your trig ratios. No? You guys understand? Yes. Right, let's carry on with the lives. Reduction formula with negative angles. Right, let's see here. Which page are we on now? 242. Right. So here it says write each of the following as a trigonometric ratio of x. So let's go with number 1. You got cos negative 180 plus x. Alright, so what do we notice? We got the negative angle. Not so. So what do I do? Add 360. So what is negative 180 plus 360? 180. So it's going to become cos of 180 plus 6. People, which quadrant is that in? Okay, so it's going to be in your third quadrant. Is cos positive or negative in the third quadrant? Negative. So I write here negative cos right, you guys understand? Any confusion? I'm moving to fast. Okay, so I'll move it faster, no? Right, let's look at number 2. We got sine negative 900 minus x. So what do I do now? Add, yes, and what? 360. Then what do we get? Negative, no, sine negative 540. So what do we do now? Add again 360, which is? And add again 360. 180. So it's going to become 180 minus 6. Okay, why minus? Because there was a minus for the person who said plus. Okay. Now what? 180 minus x in which quadrant? Second quadrant. Sign positive or negative? So it's going to be positive sign. Okay. Let's look at number 3. Right. So in number 3 we got tan of 540 minus x times cos of negative 180 plus x. Or minus x, sorry. So what do I do with 540? Minus 360. And what's 540 minus 360? So it becomes tan of 180 minus x times. So what do we do with negative 180? Add 360. So that would simply be cos negative 180 plus 360 is 180 minus x. Okay. Now, tan of 180 minus x is in which quadrant? The plus. Where's the plus? Is there a plus in your textbook? Huh? Okay, so I will do it afterwards with a plus. Okay. But I got a minus. She needs to make sure that I know what I'm doing. That's why. All my books is mine. Okay, but anyway, I'll change it just for you. Okay. 180 minus x in which quadrant? Second quadrant. Tan positive or negative? Negative. So it's negative tan x times. Cos of 180 minus x, which quadrant? Second quadrant. Cos positive or negative? Negative. So it's negative cos x. What's negative times negative? But tan can be written as sin x over cos x. Okay. This times by cos x over. So what happens? Cancel. The answer is sin. Now the person who says that is have to be a plus here, no? That would have been a plus there. 180 plus x, tan is still negative, so from there it's the same. Okay. You all okay with that? That basically brings us to the end of exercise 7.9. Okay. So your homework is exercise 7.9. The whole exercise.